All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to convert JPEGs on your iPhone to PDFs on your iPhone. You don't need any apps. We can do this all within the iPhone. Super easy process. When this video helps you, if you could consider liking and subscribing to the channel, just a really easy way to support the work we're doing here. And I'd really appreciate it. So with that, let's jump in. So here I have just a coloring guide of Bluey. If you have kids, you know who Bluey is. But just to show you, this is a JPEG here. And how I'm going to convert this image to a PDF, super simple. I'm going to press and hold on the image or hit these three dots. And I'm going to hit copy. Now with this image copied to my clipboard, I will open up the Files app here. And inside of the Files app, I have this one folder that I'm just using for my images. And I will use that again. If you don't have a folder ready, you can create one by long pressing and selecting new folder. I'll just put that new folder here. I'm just going to call it test. And we'll just use this one. Now, inside of this folder, we're going to long press again and then hit that paste button. And our image is going to paste here. We'll open up this image. There is Bluey. We'll close this down and then we're going to long press here. And then we're going to open up this quick actions drop down and we're going to select create PDF here. And it's going to create a PDF. Now the process is going to be exactly the same for PNGs. So let's say I have, here we go. I think this is one PNG. The process is going to be exactly the same. We will hit these three dots. There we go. Copy. Bring it over to the folders. Paste it in. Image to 18732. Long press. Quick actions. Create PDF. And just to show you this image, get it to work, is now a PDF. Now they might look like they're identical names. And honestly, these should probably be named better. But because their format's different, you know, PNG versus PDF and vice versa, you could have the same name, but maybe you can go in and rename those. But yeah, that's how we're going to change a JPEG or PNG to a PDF. Hope it helps and see you next time. Bye.